So today you're gonna learn how to make this plane. It flies really far, and I think this is because of the heavy weight inside of here, and it flies really very far. So I'm using standard size printer paper, and first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this edge as exact as you can. Go from the center like this, so there's no bubbles, and you get a nice smooth fold. Okay, good. Now you want to fold this corner down to here, as exact as you can again, and make sure the bottom here lines up. Okay, so you get a nice exact triangle. Okay, you should have this. Now you can unfold all of this, and you'll have an X. So you want to fold this corner back over, right? And you want to fold this edge to here. So we fold this. You gotta kind of press here down gently. Line that up. Make sure the bottom lines up too. So this edge lines up nice and straight. And do a crease down inside there too. Okay, so do a nice crease. Right? Then you're gonna follow this line right here. Okay, yeah, see? You're gonna fold it backwards. Okay? And it should line up on the bottom again. So I'm just gonna straighten out this. Okay? Then you're gonna fold this corner to here. Again, make sure the bottom lines up. Now if you want, you can also crease this edge. I suggest doing that first. Then you can fold this backwards. Okay, line it up again, and pass your finger down the center, because there's a piece sticking up here, okay? So pass your finger down the center, and it'll be nice and flat. And now you'll have this shape, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this guy to the left. Crease. And press here again. So you can fold it back, and then fold this one over this way. Crease. Crease everything, just make sure everything's nice and straight. And you'll have the same shape, okay? It's just we're making new folds. Right, now you want to lift this to the left side. So this, only the top flap, just this top piece to the left, and hold it there. Then fold this to the center. So there's a center line right here. We're going to fold this edge to match with that center line. So we're going to fold it like this. So see how it matches with the center line? Now you're gonna fold this one over, crease, just to make sure. If it doesn't fold properly, it means that you didn't fold this almost exact with the center line. So you may need to push it back a little bit, okay? So I'm gonna fold this piece over and fold the second one over with it. Right? I'm just gonna flatten that out. Now you wanna do the same thing that you did over here. So these are both on this side, and you're going to fold this piece like so. Again, line it up with the center line. Don't put them too close together, or it'll be really hard to fold. So you want to have a little bit of space in between, okay? You want to fold only one piece over, so you'll have this, like, I don't know what you want to call this, samurai hat, I guess, shape. Now, what you want to do, just fold it in half, so you have the samurai or triangle on top, and you want to fold it in half. So pull this whole thing down, and you may need to crease out this edge again. Make sure you get nice sharp edges, right? So now you have this shape, and then you want to fold this bit down. Make sure it's nice and lined up at the bottom. Do the same thing to the other side. Nice and lined up at the bottom. Good. Now you'll have this shape, okay? You want to open this up, right? Fold this back to this side. Fold this inwards, okay? So again, we have this shape. We have this shape. We opened it up back to the triangle with two new creases. We folded this, let me put it this way, you can see better. you fold this one across, okay, and fold this edge in, okay. It should line up with the center. It should, okay. Now fold just this piece that we folded, pull this over here, just do an extra crease, just make sure everything's nice and smooth. Fold this one to the right and fold inwards. Crease and fold over. So now you'll have this shape. Okay. Now what you want to do is you can fold it again. You're going to open up, so you'll have this, right? You're going to fold this wing down, like so. Flip it over. Don't fold these two pieces. Keep them in the center. Flip this over, fold this in. Make sure this piece doesn't get bent. So you want to push it inside like this, okay? So it stays nice and smooth. Do a nice little crease. You'll have this shape with the two center pieces, okay? You're gonna, do not unfold this wing. Keep this wing folded and just pull both of them together and open both sides. So it's like this, okay? Now you're gonna fold these two pieces, both of them, okay? Fold them to this side. Then take this, fold it inwards, like so. Crease it, okay? Then you want to fold just this piece over. You may need to adjust it a little bit. And don't crease this like too much. Just, it's going to be a little bit bumpy. Then fold it back this way. Fold it inwards. Crease, crease. Then fold only this top piece. So you'll have it like this. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, you have two pieces. Okay, these two pieces that we folded inward, you put them on either side, and it'll try to pull the plane in, or let it fold, okay? So that's pretty much the done plane. Just open up the wings a little bit, so crease them out, and bend them back down. Now, this is where you kind of need to fine-tune it based on your plane. So you would maybe push little edges up like that, so it's a little bit folded upwards. See how it's like pointed upwards? This will cause the wind, when it hits the back, to push the edge of the plane up, okay? But if you put this too big, then your plane will fly straight up and just crash and then dip down to the ground. So you got to play around with that piece. And you need to throw this hard, like pelt it, okay? So I'm doing it over there in my house. It usually goes a little bit too high and hits the roof and then continues gliding down. I suggest throwing outside when it's not windy. But you can still throw it inside as long as you play around with these ailerons at the back. Here's your plane.